Are you looking to become more prosperous in life? It's not magic, but it does require consistency and effort. Today, we're going to discuss 10 habits that will help make you more prosperous. 1. Get organized. When you're organized, you reduce stress and increase productivity. 2. Take responsibility for your actions. Don't make excuses or blame others, take ownership of your mistakes and learn from them. 3. Set goals and follow through. Having a plan and taking action towards it will help you reach your goals faster. 4. Network. Connecting with the right people can help you open doors to new opportunities. 5. Invest in yourself. Investing in education and personal development will help you become more valuable and prosperous. 6. Take action. Nothing will happen until you take the first step. 7. Stay focused. Multitasking can be distracting and will prevent you from achieving your goals. 8. Be flexible. Don't be afraid to make changes if something isn't working. 9. Leverage technology. Take advantage of the many tools available to make your life easier and more efficient. 10. Take care of yourself. Make sure to take time to rest and recharge. These 10 habits will help you become more prosperous. The key is to be consistent, stay focused, and never give up. With dedication and hard work, you will be successful. If you liked the video, you can consider subscribing to our channel.